Hi everyone! Good morning! Welcome to me! Charot! Welcome to Hanoi! So today is Sunday, so I'm on my way to church and I decided na mag-grab bike today kasi last day na rin namin and medyo malayo yung church dito sa Old Quarter. So to be honest, medyo hesitant akong mag-grab bike kasi for sure papagalitan ako ng mama ko at ng asawa ko. But kailangan ko ma-experience to kasi grab bike is part of the adventure dito sa Hanoi. Ang mahalaga, nakauwi na ako ng safe and sound. Diba? So this ride cost me around 100 pesos lang. And kung nag-grab car ako, baka nasa 200 to 250 pesos yung pamasahe. So, ni-risk ko na lang yung buhay ko para makatipid ako ng 100 pesos. Tipid goes, diba? And para hindi naman boring tong video na to, I'll just take this chance to share a bit about my Hanoi trip. So this is actually my second time here in Vietnam, pero first time ko sa Hanoi. Kaya sobrang excited talaga ako when we booked this trip. This country is honestly one of my favorites, as in Vietnam for the win. The food here is super affordable. Hotels are budget-friendly, and even grab rides are cheap. As in, mura talaga. So kahit wala yung mga bus, wala yung mga train, okay lang mag-grab. Lalo na kapag group tour kayo, and madami kayong maghahati-hati. So, go lang. Yung airfare lang dito, medyo pricey. But if you can catch a promo, girl, i-book mo na yan. Charot. We stayed here for 5 days, pero for me, bitin talaga yung Hanoi and Sapa. The travel to Sapa was pretty long, even though we took a sleeper train and sleeper bus. So, pwede kang matulog, pero iba pa rin kasi talaga yung tulog sa totoong kama, diba? So, pagdating namin sa Sapa, parang gusto ko pang matulog, gusto ko magpahinga. Since we were short on time, kailangang ituloy kung ano yung nasa itinerary. First stop, akyat agad kami ng Fancy Pan. The highlight of our trip and the highest peak in all of Indochina. Grabe, akala ko matatakot ako. Pero sobrang na-enjoy ko yung pag-akyat namin doon. Consider nyo rin if may kasama kayong bata or senior kasi mahirap din talagang umakyat ko. But as a certified tita, approved! I usually go for slow and chill travels. Pero this time, dahil limited yung oras, kailangan talaga ng energy. I genuinely enjoyed both Hanoi and Sapa. Pero Sapa stole my heart. Doon tayo sa malamig, pero malayo talaga siya. I'd give this trip a solid 8.5 out of 10. And yes, I'm definitely coming back next time with my husband and the whole family because I know magugustuhan din nila itong Hanoi and Sapa. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng pagbaba ko kasi feeling ko naligaw ako kaya nag-check ako ng map. Ang haba ng biyahe, diba? Thank you naman kay Kuya sa smooth na biyahe and very safe tayo nakarating sa church. Thank you din kasi pinanood niyo tong video na to. Ang una at huli. Bye!